This is a simple face mask which you can make at home. It will save you from dust, pollution, smells, unwanted air particles, and cross-contamination. It is not N95, but it is good for corona outbreak times. This is a grocery bag which is a mix of fabric and a synthetic textured material. The size of our mask would be 8 inch by 8 inch. You need at least 3 layers for the mask. You can even use fabric for this purpose. If it is thick fabric, use single piece. If it is thin, use 3 pieces. I am using surgical material to make this mask. This is 8 inch by 8 inch size. Fold from one side. Make a stitch. Stitch from the other side also. Now we need about 5.5 inch long elastic. When you fold from the top, insert this end of an elastic. The thickness of the elastic or the width of the elastic will ensure the elasticity or stretchability of it. Depending on the stretchability, choose the elastic length. When you insert the elastic inside the top fold, make multiple stitches on it so that when you wear the mask, the elastic does not come off. Make top stitch. Make multiple stitches this side also. And then fold from the other end. Insert the elastic on both the ends. Elastic is about 5.5 inch long. At the end of this video, I have given a tip how you can measure for your own mask according to your own face. The other end of the elastic is to be inserted to the end of the bottom fold. See, face mask is in need Nowadays, it is not available in the market, so you can make it for yourself, for your friends, relatives, and even for the community. So once you finish the ends, make 3 folds either in the middle or spread these folds. Make these pleats. When the pleats are done, ensure the length of the mask, if the material, the fabric or the material is hard, then the length should be 3.5 inch. If the material is soft like a fabric or a thin material, then the length of the mask should be 3 inch. Now fold and then stitch on this pleat. Stitch the other end also. And make a long stitch this side. I made some other designs of mask also. I'll share you in the next video. I hope this mask making is useful for you and you'd like it. So this is how you can take the measurement of your own mask by width and length. And in the next video, I'll be sharing this mask making video. Take care and please like and subscribe. Goodbye.